If your TCL Roku TV isn't connecting to Wi-Fi, in this video, I'll first walk you through some simple soft fixes, and then we'll move on to a hardware troubleshooting method, and I'm confident one of these will get your TV back online. Step 1. Check and fix date and time settings. Go to your TV settings, scroll down and select System, then open Date and Time. At the top, you'll see Automatic Date and Time. Make sure Use Network Provided Time is turned on. Once that's set, exit the settings and go back to your Wi-Fi section. If you still see Unable to Connection, don't worry. We'll fix that next. Step 2. Power reset the TV. Turn off your TV completely, unplug it from the wall socket, wait for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and power it on. Once it restarts, go to Settings, Network, Wi-Fi, and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. If it now shows connected, awesome, your issue's fixed, but if it still says can't connect, let's move on. Step 3. Check router MAC address filtering. On your phone or laptop, open your browser and type your router's admin IP address. It's usually printed on the back of your router. Most of the time, it looks like this as shown on the screen. Log in using the username and password listed on the router label. Once inside, go to Advanced Settings or Expert Mode and look for an option called MAC Filtering or Access Control. Make sure MAC Filtering is turned off. This setting, if enabled, can block your TV from connecting to Wi-Fi. After turning it off, restart your router and try connecting your TV again. Step 4. Try using a hotspot. If it's still not connecting, try one more thing. Turn on a mobile hotspot on your phone and connect your TV to that network. Once connected successfully, go back and reconnect your TV to your home Wi-Fi. This simple trick often helps reset the connection link between your router and TV. If the issue continues even after this, it might be related to a hardware issue in your TV's Wi-Fi module, and before calling a tech guy, grab a small screwdriver and carefully remove the back panel of your TV. Now, locate the Wi-Fi module. It's usually a small board connected with a ribbon cable. Gently disconnect that ribbon cable from the module. Take a soft brush and gently clean the Wi-Fi module and connector area. Make sure there's no dust or debris stuck in there. Once you're done, reconnect everything, screw the panel back in, and power the TV on. Still no luck, then replace the Wi-Fi module with the new one. If it worked, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.